Again, this is not from Best RV Center down in Trolla, California. We're going again another Rockwood ultralight travel trailers. We have a brand new 2614BS. Now, a lot of people, they ask, why is Rockwood? Rockwood, as I said in different videos, is a niche market. What I like about it, it has the front cab with the frameless window, as you see here. It's very smooth, clean, painted as well. This is 6 aluminum structures. So a lot of people, they don't misunderstand. Every manufacturer, they say aluminum frame. But the question you need to ask them again and again and again, do you have aluminum behind the front cap? Do you have aluminum frame in the rear? Do you have aluminum frame in the floor? You have aluminum frame in the ceiling and the 4 walls. That's a big deal about Rockwood. The 6 aluminum structures. It's like aluminum cage. Now, then this one, what I like about it is a 26 feet, not too small, not too big. And the nice thing is the 26 with 2 slide out. You have a slide out in the bedroom and a slide out in the living room. You have a full outdoor kitchen here. Now, everybody give you one place to cook except Rockwood. Rockwood has 2 places to cook. You have a 2-burner range, as well you have an outside grill. So I could barbecue here, my spaghetti here, so I could cook 2 things at the same time. That's only the nice thing about Rockwood. The competitor, they don't do that. The competitor, they do only 1 cooking area. This has 2 cooking area, outdoor grill plus outdoor stove. Coming in. This is the beautiful 2614. Now, the advantage about the 2614, a lot of people, especially ladies, complaining, no counter space, no pantry, no storage. Well, this one has it all. You have a nice, beautiful, solid service countertop. A lot of storage over here. As you see, is very deep. A nice storage right there, both place for trash can. And I have a pantry here, so I could put all my cereals, doors for tinsels, and by the way, come with a tinsel tray. So that's the thing about Rockwood. And then you have the 11 cubic foot refrigerator. This is the freezer, this is the fridge. It's 11 cubic, run of 12 volt. Now, one niche about, again, Rockwood, we're gonna say it again and again, so you could see the difference. Rockwood is the only travel trailers in the country offer you 1800 watt inverter. So this unit, it comes with 2 200 watt solar in the roof. So 11 cubic foot reefer, all Rockwood. All Rockwood at Best RV has 2 solar 200 on the roof, and I have an 1800 watt inverter. So I could run these plug off the battery. I don't have to have a generator if I'm doing middle nowhere. Then I have the nice theater seating. Now, why I like about this floor plan, some of them you have to twist your head like this and watch TV that way. No, this one is straightforward. The TV is next to me. I just recline those chairs, voila. And then I will ask the wife, where is my drink? So I could watch the game, more storage, place for my drinks. If I have more friends here, this is removable. If it's bothering me, I could take it off, I could put it in back, and that's the beautiful. So this particular unit has 2 tier seating. Then you have a nice, beautiful LCD system here, and a hidden storage behind it. So more storage, more storage. Look how deep this closet over the TV. I mean, you could put all kind of stuff. Nice sound bars, a fireplace in that unit. And then you have a nice dinette, so you have full privacy. Also, Rockwood is a unique product. They give you the nice roller shade. Not even 1 roller shade. This has 2 roller shades. So during the daytime, I could lower this one and I could see through it, but people can't see me. And then at nighttime, if I want to have a privacy, I could pull the second. So that's another thing about Rockwood. Everybody give you 1 privacy roller, except Rockwood has 2 roller shades. Then if we come here in the living room, everybody give you 1 AC. Well, that's great, but the question in the kitchen area, do you give me a fantastic fan? So if I'm cooking bacon, eggs, whatever, and I want the smell out, I have it here. I have a 3-speed fantastic fan with the cover. That's nice features about Rockwood. Other, they don't give it to you. This one has it. Then if you walk with me here to the bedroom, that is the key of this trailer. I have a queen 60 by 80 bedroom slide out. So I have my bed already slid out. I have another slide out in the living room on a 26 feet, which is very hard to find. This one has it. A huge closet. Look, all the closet. Matter of fact, you could see the outdoor barbecues right there. Huge storage, huge counter space. And then you have a solid doors. Again, to emphasize the aluminum structures, if you look underneath the bed, if I lift up the bed, please show them. Aluminum frame, even the bed structure, solid doors with aluminum structures. And then the half of that bed is the storage from outside. That's separate Rockwood. Nicer mattress, not a cheapy one. Memory foam mattress. The competitor, they don't. I have shelf. I get thirsty at night. I have shelf to put my water bottle. I have plugs. I could put my CP machines. I snore, I have one. Then I have this one here, the inverter switch. I could turn it on. If I turn the switch here, the inverter, I could run these plugs off the batteries. USB for selling both kind of USB charger here. USB and the new one for my cell phone. Place here for makeup or vanity or whatever you want to call it. 2-door entries. Like, I'm an early bird. So if I want to go outside, I could go outside from the bedroom, no bother nobody. Then another place for a second TV. You could have 2 TVs in these trailers. That's another advantage for you. It's already prepped and has a place for it. The beautiful about 2614, more kitchen counter space in the back, a bedroom slide out in the front. I have my own nice view window here, and I could look up from the window. I could see the river. I could see whatever's around me. I have 2 windows crossing the queen bed, so there for window circulations. So if you want the breeze in the morning, just slide this window, slide that window, and you have, breeze, winds coming in, nice, cool. A small thing. Now you're gonna laugh. All these manufacturers, they don't give you a shade on the entry door. Rockwood, they do. Look at it. It has a shade on the window of the door. The competitor, they don't. They let you go buy it on Amazon. Come on, I'm buying this nice trailers. You can't give me a shade on the window? So that's what separates Rockwood from the other brands. Nice construction, nice trailers, ultralight. I could afford to pull it with half-ton towables. All power tank jack, power stabilizer jack, power awning, power slide. All you just walk in and start just touching the switches and operate the unit. Gentlemen, ladies, you need to convince your husband to come to Best RV and buy this unit from Best RV, because we have a price no dealer who sells Rockwood in the state of California can even come close to it. And even if they try, we'll beat them. Because we're here at Best RV, give you a best quality, best product, and the lowest price in America with no any hidden fees. Free dealer prep, free walkthrough, free orientation, no bogus fees. Come to Best RV and let me save you thousands of dollars. It's worth the drive to come to Best RV in Trolla, California. Coming in.